Hey, welcome to Cannel. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Hydmech S-23A, LCD and touchscreen removal. There is burn holes on the touchscreen, and it appears to be melted. If you have technical skills, and you like doing this type of work, contact us, and we will work together to use your skills and our training to repair our customers' machines. Remove the back cover. Remove the video cable. Remove all of the plugs with wires. Remove the screws holding the board. Carefully remove the board. Remove the 4 brackets. With a firm grip, pull the LCD off. Reach out to us for any technical support, or if you need to purchase parts, send us an email. Thanks for watching.